Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Marinetraffic app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Marinetraffic is a ship tracking app that provides real-time information about vessels worldwide using AIS, Automatic Identification System, data. The app allows users to view live ship positions, port arrivals and departures, vessel details, and even route history. It also supports weather overlays, customizable alerts, and advanced search options to help users track specific ships, ports, or shipping lines. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is highly appreciated by sailors, maritime professionals, and enthusiasts for its accurate vessel data, global coverage, and smooth interface. Many users enjoy its ability to track commercial fleets, monitor port activities, and stay updated on shipping logistics. The customizable alerts and playback history features make it especially useful for businesses and hobbyists alike. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While it offers free access to basic tracking, many advanced features, such as satellite AIS, extended history, and weather overlays, require a paid subscription, which some users find expensive. Free data may also have slight delays, making it less suitable for critical real-time monitoring. Additionally, occasional connectivity issues or limited coverage in remote waters have been noted. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Marinetraffic app may be worth using if you're a shipping professional, sailor, or maritime enthusiast seeking a reliable and detailed ship tracking tool. It shines in global coverage, vessel details, and customizable alerts. However, if you need real-time satellite tracking or want advanced features without paying for premium plans, it might feel somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.